Hi, my name is Elizabeth Johnson and I just passed the CPA exam. Some people are fortunate enough to pass the CPA exam the first time through. That was not my experience. If you're being humbled by this test like I was, I hope that you'll take the time to listen to my story and find some encouragement from it. I know that I would not have been able to pass this test without a lot of prayer, hard work, and the Rogers CPA Review program. I graduated in December of 2010 from the University of South Alabama. I graduated with honors, and I was used to working hard and getting good results. So I knew I'd pass the CPA exam the first time. I had my application ready to go, everything set when I found out I was pregnant. When I lost the baby shortly thereafter, I just had to press a reset. I was not expecting to end up pregnant with my daughter 2 months later, and nor was I expecting to find out how studying and pregnancy do not go well together for me. My daughter put me in the hospital 3 times while I was pregnant with her, and I had to have 2 surgeries the same year she was born. I was studying off and on while I was pregnant, trying to pass one, but it just wasn't working. And in January of 2013, on my daughter's first birthday, my mother told me that she had found a lump in her left breast. She told me that it wasn't a big deal, that they were just going to take it out, everything was fine, and that I needed to go ahead and keep studying for the CPA. So in February of 2013, I went ahead and bought another program, paid for all 4 tests, and I was just raring to go. I studied, and then I found out I was pregnant in March of 2013 with my son. 9 weeks into my pregnancy, I almost lost him, and I was told that I should have. I also found out that my mother was hiding some things from me, like how aggressive her cancer was and how many surgeries she had to have between January and March of 2013. Once I had found out what she didn't tell me, everything stopped. So between my mother and almost losing my son, my heart was not in passing the CPA exam. I was sick through my pregnancy with my son again, and I watched cancer slowly steal my mother. And in April 2015, she went to be with God. I can't express how devastated I was at that time, besides to say that I was broken. I had gone through 2 study programs. I had taken the test at least 6 times, and I lost my mom. And I was looking for something to occupy my time, I guess. I didn't even know if I wanted to keep going for the CPA. So I went online and I was looking at different blogs and I was looking at different review programs, just not really sure if I wanted to do it, but I figured I'd try. When I found Rogers CPA Review. And also I watched a couple of his videos. I wish I could express to you and to them how much it meant for me to laugh at that time. I had just gone through the most difficult thing in my life so far, and I laughed. I watched his videos and he made me laugh. So I knew that I could do it. I knew that if I could get that program and I followed his instructions, I'd pass that exam. And I did. I didn't pass each test the first time through. I passed auditing the first time, and I passed BEC the first time. I had to take FAR twice, which I made a 73 the first time, and then I passed it the second time, and then I took reg twice. I made a 74 the first time, and then I passed it the second time. And getting that close to passing is insanely frustrating. But I knew I could do it. It's like I had a coach sitting right next to me saying, "You can do it. Pick it up, study it again." So I'd watch his videos and I would do it. I did it. I passed. I passed all 4 parts. And I could not have done it without that program. I am so thankful for the Rogers CPA Review program. If I could give anybody any advice that is trying to take this test, it would be to not give up. Just don't give up. And if you get the Rogers CPA Review program, watch his videos. Do the questions twice. do the task-based simulations, and you will pass. And he gives you the encouragement and the strength to go through it and pass it. I will never forget how much it meant to me to laugh. And I thank you, sir, for your program, and I thank you for the people that you have behind that program. So from a accountant in Lower Alabama, thank you.